time and again, Sanatan and the abuse against Sanatan Dharma has featured in the election speeches of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In his latest speech, Prime Minister Modi highlighted the latest disclosure by former Congress insider Acharya Pramod Krishnam against Rahul Gandhi. What did the former Congress leader say? He went on to claim that after the Supreme Court's verdict on Ram Mandir, Rahul Gandhi held a closed-door meeting with his aides, and on the suggestion of one well-wisher, he said that if the Congress comes to power, the party will form a super-powered committee to overturn the Ram Mandir verdict. Prime Minister Modi also highlighted how many Congress leaders are leaving the party because of its anti-Ram Mandir stand. Listen in.
अब इनकी बातें सुनिए। एक महिला ने कहा कि मैं राम मंदिर गई तो उसको इतना टॉर्चर किया कि उन्हें कांग्रेस ही छोड़नी पड़ गई। एक और व्यक्ति ने कहा कि कांग्रेस पर मुस्लिम लीगियों और माओवादियों ने कब्जा कर लिया है। तीसरे ने एक और गहरी साजिश से पर्दा उठा दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि कांग्रेस के शाहजादे का इरादा राम मंदिर पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले को पलटने का है। जैसे शहजादे जी ने पिताजी ने शहबानो केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला पलटा था, वैसे ही कांग्रेस राम मंदिर का फैसला पलटने के लिए सोच रही है।
Now you heard what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in his speech. Acharya Pramod Krishnam's disclosure on Rahul Gandhi's secret plan to reverse the Ram Mandir verdict using Rajiv Gandhi's Shah Bano template has triggered a huge political firestorm. Here's what Acharya Pramod Krishnam said, and then we're also going to play out some reactions from the Bharatiya Janata Party.
मैं कांग्रेस में 32 साल से भी ज्यादा समय मेरा बीता है। जब राम मंदिर का फैसला आया, राम मंदिर बनना शुरू हुआ, उसके बाद राहुल गांधी जी ने अपने नजदीकी लोगों की एक बैठक में अमेरिका के रहने वाले अपने एक शुभचिंतक के कहने पर, इशारे पर, सलाह पर यह बात कही थी कि अगर हमारी सरकार बनती है तो हम सुपर पावर कमीशन बना करके राम मंदिर के फैसले को पलट देंगे। उन्होंने ये भी कहा था जिस तरह शाहबानो का फैसला राजीव गांधी जी ने पलटा था। 3 तलाक के मुद्दे को लेकर के शाहबानो का फैसला, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो फैसला था, उसको बदल दिया गया था। तो जब शाहबानो का फैसला बदला जा सकता है तो राम मंदिर का फैसला क्यों नहीं बदला जा सकता है।
राहुल गांधी का ये कहना था कि जब वो सत्ता में आएंगे तो जो राम मंदिर पर जो डिसीजन है उसको पलट देंगे।
देखिए, बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है आज कांग्रेस इस प्रकार से काम कर रही है। जो भी राम मंदिर गया है उसको पार्टी से निकाल दिया है, उनका उत्पीड़न कर रहे हैं कि तुम राम मंदिर क्यों गए, और आज जब नॉमिनेशन बनने गए तो पूजा पाठ कर रहे थे, और आज जिस प्रकार से आप तुष्टीकरण की चरम सीमा में पहुंचे हैं कि हम राम मंदिर को नहीं रहने देंगे, हम पुनः वहाँ पे अयोध्या बनाएंगे, 370 को वापसी लेके आएंगे। जो आपके नेताओं ने आपके साथ में रहते हैं इसलिए उन्होंने कहा को सुना होगा, करा होगा। मुझे लगता है ये चरित्र अच्छा नहीं होता। देश की जनता आज इसको माफ करने वाली नहीं है।
Now, what is the Shah Bano template that Acharya Pramod Krishnam has made this huge disclosure on? In 1985, it was the Supreme Court that had ruled in favor of Shah Bano, a Muslim woman from Indore who had sought divorce, had sought maintenance from her husband after he divorced her. But Rajiv Gandhi had come ahead and overturned that decision using an act, and this is the template that Acharya Pramod Krishnam is talking about. There's another leader now of the Samajwadi Party who's facing flack from the Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP is targeting the Samajwadi Party leader. His name is Ram Gopal Yadav over his latest remarks on the Ram Mandir. The senior Samajwadi Party leader has been quoted as calling the make of the Ram Mandir as bekar. Earlier, Ram Gopal Yadav had also termed Ram Bhakts as pakhandis. Listen into how the BJP is escalating the attack.
समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता प्रोफेसर राम गोपाल यादव जी ने कहा है कि राम मंदिर बेकार है। तो मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि उनको राम मंदिर बेकार लग रहा है तो समाजवादी पार्टी और इंडी गठबंधन से पूछता हूं, गाजियाबाद का हज हाउस अच्छा था, राम मंदिर बेकार है। आगरा का मुगल गार्डन बनवाया आपने, वो अच्छा था और राम मंदिर बेकार है। उत्तर प्रदेश के जिले जिले में आपने कब्रिस्तान बनवाए, वो अच्छे थे और राम मंदिर बेकार है।
Shivani is joining us live. Shivani, today Prime Minister Narendra Modi specifically took on the Congress party and spoke about how their leaders are leaving because of because these leaders, in fact, who took a stand for Lord Ram, they were tortured. Then he went on to speak about what Acharya Pramod Krishnam said. He said that this is a conspiracy that has been unmasked. Acharya Pramod Krishnam talks about Rahul Gandhi's secret meeting where it was discussed that how he would want to overturn the Ram Mandir verdict using the Shah Bano template. BJP has picked it up, but if you've spoken to the former Congress leader, what are the details of this meeting that you're now tracking?
Sagarika, see the number of leaders in the list of the Congress party who have now left the Congress party, who were Ram Bhakts and they were facing torture and they were being punished, they were treated differently in the party, are now joining the BJP, and this list is getting longer each day and new revelations are coming out. These leaders, the insiders of the Congress party, including Radhika Kheda, who joined the BJP today, and Acharya Pramod Krishnam, who's already left the Congress party, they have been revealing how they were treated differently because they were Ram Bhakts, they were ardent Hindus. And now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also stated and mentioned all these leaders who were facing wrath from the party high command in Congress when they were a part of the Congress, and they were Ram Bhakts, because the allegations are now coming out, Sagarika,
yes,
that most of these leaders are saying that Congress doesn't like people who are Hindus. Congress is against Hinduism, Congress is against Ram Bhakti, and that is why all these leaders are now leaving the Congress party.
Yes.
And not only Congress people, now you heard Ram Gopal Yadav also, who's joining this list, and he has also called the make of the Ram Mandir bekar. To him also BJP is questioning that why are you against Ram? Why this Sanatan slander is taking place continuously, especially in the election season?
Yes.
And they are also saying that this is not about Hindus and Muslims, but this is about their own interests in the name of religion. That is what Prime Minister has brought out in his rallies.
Absolutely. So that disclosure by Acharya Pramod Krishnam, a former Congress leader, once known to be very close to the Gandhi family, that disclosure of Rahul Gandhi's alleged plans is dominating the discourse.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
For plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।